To turn on or off a sound effect when voiceover stop interacting in iPhone 14 Pro, go to setting, scroll down to screen, and then tap accessibility, tap voiceover, next tap audio, and then tap sound and haptic. Next scroll down the screen, and then under interaction section tap stop interacting. Now tap the on off switch next to sound to enable or disable this option. When the switch turns green, it means that this option is on and your iPhone will play a sound effect when voiceover stop interacting. If needed, you can tap preview to listen how the sound will look like when it's enabled. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.